Today I am going to take the next step from our Papa John recipe, and I'm going to serve it as a day 2 entree. I want to do some spicy Cajun southern shrimp, and this is so simple. I've got some skewers that are already pre-done from me, and just some quick ingredients. You know I always have a half and half olive oil and avocado oil on my stovetop, so I'm just going to quickly brush each one of these just a little bit. I don't want this to scorch. I love this brand. They're not a sponsor, but I like the brand, and I think with those of us who do it all the time, recommendations are important. You really want to hit this good. Now, this seasoning has everything we're going to need. All the spices, all the heat, all the flavor, all the salt. We do have some garlic, which is already crushed at the store. Just tiny bits, guys. Tiny bits. This is not shrimp scampi. We are just going to add this little bits of some garlic. Get that last guy really quick. Okay, now, when I serve this, of course, we need some Crystal or Rooster or Frank's or just a pure cayenne sauce. This is going to go on right after I'm finished with the first grill. Also, wait till you see how I serve this. This is my French Rouille, which is, I think this is Anthony Bourdain's recipe. Shout out. I'll put my version and maybe his in a link. But this is basically the French mayonnaise that's done with beautiful saffron, garlic, bread crumbs, and it is the most perfect spread for anything garlicky, even on a garlic bread. I love it. It lasts forever in the refrigerator once it's done, and is going to be a perfect continental accompaniment to this great recipe. See how perfectly that fits? Now I'm going to go slightly to one side because I want this side hot when I flip it over to get those grill marks. Okay, that's it. We're going to stay on here for probably no more than 2 minutes. We don't want these rubbery. Okay, we are done. 2 minutes each side. Now I have this fancy long plate here, which I like to pull out when you're trying to make an everyday menu. Tastes a little bit better. So we're going to start with our black-eyed peas. Look how creamy those are. So that is our leftover Papa John. I did spray the inside of my mold with a little cooking spray. That always helps. Pack it down. Pop that out. Look how sexy and appetizing that is. All right, so just like an oyster shooter, because I have the heat, I want to go ahead and put just a dash of my hot sauce. We can pull our mold, and we did, and these should be cooled off. So why don't we say, what do you guys think? Probably should have done that on the side, so let's go ahead and max out the plate a little bit. I think we'll start with 2 each. Let's kind of set that right there. Since that's all the same color tone, let's brighten that up. A little bit of show-off parsley on the side. I'm Porter Brooks. This is my down and dirty Papa John black-eyed pea leftover spicy southern shrimp. Please like this video. It really helps me develop content for you. And hey, if you like me over on Instagram at @theporterbrooks, I will send you a printable copy of this recipe. See you guys soon. Bye.